This is proof of life.
Where did this come from?
Urzikstan.
No. They're pointing east.
Likely to Al Mazrah.
They get underground there, we'll lose her for good.
We'll lead the rescue team.
That's not gonna happen, John.
Say again, General.
This is a tug of war, boys. We need to pull back, not lean forward.
Since when?
Since now. We can't just send in the cavalry. These things take planning and preparation.
These things take violence and timing. I can do both. Kate's life is in a fucking hourglass.
I know you're upset, Captain. This happened on your mission, and that's a tough pill to swallow.
Are you telling me we leave her?
I'm telling you I can't help you, but I won't stop you.
I'll have her back in 12 hours.
Don't die doing this, John. LAZWELL wouldn't want that. I don't either.
General, I thought Kate was your friend.
War isn't about friends. It's about enemies. Good luck.
We'll be going head-to-head with AQ on that hotel. We're gonna have hundreds more protecting LAZWELL. We need an army.
I can get us an army. Nick! Where to?
القتل هون.
تمام شايفهم. وهلا مهلا مظاهرة استاذنا هنيك.
نعم سيدتي.
Captain, it's Farah. It's time.
Rog, we'll stand him up. Convoy's inbound. We're on. Copy this. Over the HLC now.
Good. Settle down and hold. Guys, you stay in the heli on Overwatch. We'll work our way up the line.
Roger that. Let's thin the herd, get LAZWELL back.
Hey, old man!
Ah! Thanks for the assist.
We share a common enemy.
And a friend in need. Are you ready?
All set. Stay down!
All stations!
We're on the move.
Copy!
Rog, Nick, free to go.
All stations, we're up. Come check.
Good copy.
Jet.
Out and clear.
The Alcazar convoy just passed us. We'll be right behind them.
Copy. Nick, use the ravine for cover. We've got one shot to rescue LAZWELL. Roger that.
What vehicle's she in?
Alcazar has her in a black SUV near the front of the convoy.
We hit the escort vehicles first, then we secure LAZWELL before AQ can reach the border.
Watch your fire. There's civilians on the highway.
Captain, we are in range. All stations, weapons free.
Yes, you move. As you move.
They know we're here now.
Look down. Keep pushing. Unit team, double settlement. UAQ tracks ahead. AQ in the pickup truck.
Got a visual.
Throwing all across. That's the Darwin. Aim for his head, Sergeant.
Slide.
Good job, Sergeant.
Put it on.
Ammo is next to you. Enemy missile lost. Move up. Look around the cabin.
Let's fire on the pickup truck. There's a friendly aboard.
Sit in the herd, Farah.
Like old times, Captain. Back up. Let's do my Sayara damage.
Bloody hell!
More AQs, tracks ahead. AQs locking onto us.
Fuckers wearing armor!
Deploying countermeasures.
Incoming!
We are hit! Sergeant! Nick, what's the status? Captain, gas fell out. Say again? The sergeant is gone.
Not dead, Nick! I'm hanging from a bloody rope!
Bruto! Right through!
Shit, shit!
Gas, what's the status?
Busy right now, Captain!
Red lock, son off! Yes!
Nick! Pull up! He's blocked!
Suka, enemy missile lock.
Red lock, son off! Yes!
Nick! Pull up! He's blocked!
Outstanding, gas.
There's a truck ahead! Get us over it!
I can try. Hang on. Far as I can go. You have to cut loose.
We're free!
Get back in the fight, Sergeant.
Convoy's gaining distance. We have to keep moving up.
All stations, secure the vehicle. AQ convoy still in sight.
Solid copy, gas. Keep it in the herd and push them to LAZWELL.
I have some soldiers with you, Sergeant.
Rog, what's your position?
We're catching up. 6 out. You're coming up on the green track. Those are para soldiers.
Rog, that's it. Damn it! Laura's base just got hit.
Aim to fight, Sergeant. Focus on the enemy and get up to LAZWELL.
Nick, what you see him?
LMG ahead. More AQs ahead.
Tracking the convoy west.
Solid copy. Stay on them. We're heading your way.
Guys, Nick, my spotters are reporting an AQ roadblock ahead.
Affirm. I see it. You might have to ramp through.
Crash it. Kill as many as you can.
Shock and awe. Got to today, boys. Nick, what's good?
Copy, Sergeant. Be advised, there is a situation after all.
What the hell's this?
AQ is deploying mines on the highway.
These are civilians, Nick. AQ will burn for this.
Mines ahead, Sergeant.
I'll bring the matches.
Where are these mines coming from?
Subtract forward of your position. Watch out!
Christ! AQ's hitting civilians. We have to take out that truck.
You're closing on the mine track now.
Solid copy. What is it done? All stations, what's your status?
Check fire. Check fire, Sergeant. I'm in a cargo truck on your 6 about to pass.
Just past the roadblock.
Guys!
Captain!
AQ's got reinforcements. You'll need some firepower. Hop in, Sergeant. Let's go.
Good to see you in one piece. Take the grenade launcher.
Sweet heat, Captain. What's the word?
We're getting close to LAZWELL, so they're changing tactics.
How so?
We were chasing them, now they're gonna chase us.
Let them try, sir. Let them bloody try.
Check rear. It's Farah.
Gang's all here. Let's bring this home.
Captain, Al-Qatala's coming back this way. They'll try to box us in.
Not if we can help it. Here they come! Fire! Watch it!
Guys, hit with the launcher.
Copy! I'm on him!
Direct hit.
Got the bastard!
Nice work.
They're taking a shortcut to the border.
Copy, Nick. Stay on them.
Watch your back.
Dust them. Farah, stay close.
We're with you.
Clear in the back.
Nick, do you have a visual on LAZWELL's vehicle?
Affirmative, Captain. There is a lot of Al-Qatala between you.
Leave that to us.
Just don't lose her, Nick. 6 out.
AQ's best soldiers will guard LAZWELL. We're getting close.
We need to spread out. Guys, secure a vehicle. We'll hit them from every angle we can. Take another vehicle, Gaz. We need to spread out.
Missile! He's on you, Sergeant!
He's locking onto you, Gaz. Take him down, Sergeant.
He's down! Move up!
All stations, AQ is deploying bomb drones ahead. Solid copy, Nick.
How did AQ get bomb drones?
Major Hassan! يا جنود انتبهوا! النابل بالسما!
أيدها القاعدة.
I see them! Up ahead!
Take him out fast, we're done. Yes, the drone pilot is in the rear of the truck. Take him out. Be advised, enemy APC ahead.
We don't have the firepower to take on an APC.
Get in close! When you're ready, I'll draw fire so you can board!
Copy that. No.
Be advised, enemy APC ahead.
We don't have the firepower to take on an APC.
Get in close! When you're ready, I'll draw fire so you can board!
Copy that. Ah! No.
Keep moving, Gaz. Don't get caught in its fire.
Sergeant, you have to get close to the APC!
I'm in position.
Okay, get ready! Now, Sergeant! Move the APC!
Time to charge and get out of there, Sergeant.
Charge is set.
On the left! Jump across!
Clear.
Copy that.
Captain, we're approaching the border!
Rog. Nikolai, walking with the helo.
I'm on it, Captain.
Contact!
Well, check fire. LAZWELL and Nikolai are ahead of us.
Copy that.
Check it.
We're clear.
Kate. It's over. It's over.
It's
a family reunion.
Wouldn't miss it.
Farah. Nice moves, LAZWELL. You too. All of you.
We're in Al-Mazrah. We're gonna get somewhere safe, now.
Captain's right. رجال على الحدود. عندنا بتكمل على الحراسة. Farah, thank you.
I owed you one.
Well, it's the other way around.
We're even then. بالتوفيق نكينا. Until next time, Captain. خلينا نطلع من
Hey,
هون.
I'm sorry, I couldn't let...
John, it's
no,
okay.
This was my fault. I should never have let
John,
them in.
stop. I'm fine. We've got bigger problems. Missiles were never in Spain, the guidance systems were.
Guidance systems? Where the hell did they get those?
Russians.
Where are they now?
Missiles. And aside from Hassan, there's only one person who knows where to find them.